So, good afternoon, and thank you very much for being here. It's all the more pleasure for me to be here because we do have a reasonably long-standing history with the SEC in terms of the history of the Franco-British connections.
I think that having a title which is Finance, Economics and Politics Together for a Better Tomorrow is pretty appropriate in these times. Crisis in Greek is not anxiogenous. Crisis is just momentum of transition from one stage to another. And I think that in the very Greek sense, we are in a crisis, which is always an interesting moment, isn't it?
Thank you, Mr. Tapi, for sharing your knowledge and enlightening our audience with your great speech. Now, the second speaker of the day, Sir Howard Davis. Thank you. Welcome, sir.
Bonjour, mesdames, messieurs. Je voudrais d'abord féliciter toute l'équipe du sommet sur leur réussite évidente et aussi remercier M. Tapi pour votre hospitalité à ESSEC. And tonight I'd like to touch on the more delicate topic of the British and French respective views on financial issues. And I said earlier that I would need to do so in the safety of the British Embassy, where I have diplomatic protection on British soil.
Those are some quite profound differences, I find, in the cultures of the two countries. Maybe in your generation all these differences will disappear, but I suspect not, actually, because they are quite deep-seated. And the approach of the two governments to economic policy is pretty different, and it's interesting to discuss why. So, I'm sure that it will be a valuable opportunity. It's great to have you here. Congratulations to Franco-British Connections for putting this together and making it happen.
Nous allons aborder les différentes formes de financement institutionnel, public, mais aussi privé, et également les financements innovants qui émergent depuis quelques années, en particulier grâce aux nouvelles technologies de l'information et de la communication. A lot of nations contribute to the World Bank, so when they are in crisis, the financing of multilateral institutions is an acute problem.
Yeah, but
it can be also.
They use a bit of leverage. They can increase the amount they on lend is not just the amount that we see from the government. There's no, secret in the domain. So the best you can do is try to adapt the finance solutions or find new finance solutions to existing problems.
J'ai participé à l'élaboration du projet. J'étais en charge des workshops et dont le mien était sur le crowdfunding.
Is it a revolutionary concept or it's like the stock option? It's an exchange of.
You give money to a project and then you will receive I don't know, a DVD, a CD, like material things. So it's not like stock options. But for some business in crowdfunding, it's like old business but with new tools.
Ça s'est très bien passé. On était peu nombreux, donc on a pu poser beaucoup de questions. Tout le monde était bien impliqué.
I'm Elise and I'm from the University of Birmingham and study French and Spanish. And we came along today to find out more about the French and British relations with finance and the economy. And it started off we had some introductory talks and heard from Howard Davies. And then I participated in the workshop about infrastructure. And we found out about crowdfunding, and we found out about how companies can launch their projects online and then have funding from different sources come in. It was quite interesting, very interesting.
So the idea that people flee a country or leave a country for tax reasons is I think very much exaggerated.
I've pretty much come for the same reasons. My workshop instead was on financial regulation in Europe, so it's really interesting. There was a lot of discussion, lots of debate.
Does anyone agree that there is a need for more regulation in the financial sector now?
Yes. Everyone.
J'ai trouvé ça très bien que des étudiants français et britanniques se réunissent, d'écoles prestigieuses comme Oxford, comme HEC, comme Sciences Po, discutent de finance, discutent d'économie. J'ai assisté à un workshop qui était très intéressant sur la régulation financière. Les praticiens de la finance et aussi des étudiants pensent que ça ne peut pas continuer comme c'est maintenant et qu'effectivement il y a besoin de changement et de régulation. Et en même temps de voir qu'ils s'impliquent, qu'ils réfléchissent à ces questions, disons, d'un point de vue plus politique. Et je trouvais ça effectivement très enrichissant et rassurant pour l'avenir.
And you are more and more demanding not only for money, not only for power, not only for recognition and so on, but you are more and more in your generation asking for meaning because you know that the world is at stake. You know that we are on a burning planet. And you know that your generation in 50 years from now will be accountable what has happened.
And so my one encouraging thought before I close tonight is that maybe the idealism of youth will be able to find a better way of resolving some of these issues in a way which meets the reasonable interests of the two countries. At least I hope so, because if you take up this baton, His Excellency and I, in the declining years of our careers as we totter towards our twilight homes, can get back to doing what we do best, which is drinking champagne. Thank you.
Je suis dans les Franco-British Connection depuis 3 ans maintenant et co-organisateur de ce projet qui nous a pris pas mal de temps, mais je pense qu'au final c'était quand même une belle réussite. Moi j'étais en charge du workshop How has the Euro affected the French and British financial sectors. On a eu un intervenant très charismatique.
Vous êtes arrivé à des conclusions quand même?
On est arrivé à quelques conclusions, c'était des sujets un peu controversés, mais je pense que les étudiants ont bien participé, ils étaient contents d'être là. C'était un vrai sujet de débat, surtout quand on commence à parler de l'Europe, de la place de la Grande-Bretagne dans l'Europe. Et il y a eu des positions assez contradictoires, surtout qu'on avait des étudiants français, des étudiants québécois, des étudiants qui venaient du Royaume-Uni.
And now it's starting to go down. And that has paid wages, jobs in construction, and government revenues. So they may try to go to do austerity or whatever. You know, if most of your public revenues, public taxes are based on that, you will never see back the money.
Je pense que tous les élèves ont été contents de la qualité des débats et sont maintenant contents d'être dans un cadre un peu plus informel et de faire la fête ce soir.
Très bien.
Le sommet est assez équilibré dans ce côté-là.
Merci beaucoup Charles.
Merci Florian.